This is a Remington hairdryer. Now I'm going to take it apart and show you what it looks like inside. There are two screws that hold the handle section. These are unusual screws. Now I'm using a flat plane screwdriver to take it off. Now there are also two at the rear of the hairdryer. You need to take them out as well. And the whole of the bodies, the two halves are kept together by clips that go all the way around. So you've got to very carefully unclip them. Now be careful not to break the clips if you're going to repair your one. Now there are two clips at the front that you have to remove. This holds the two halves together. As soon as you remove them, the two halves will simply fall apart. Now there's a filter at the back, and there's also a heat shield to protect the body from overheating. And that's a close-up of the heater. Now this heater does have several settings. Now if you look further down on the handle itself, there's a control in which when you depress that, it will then stop electricity going to the heater. And next one down, you've got basically two sections. One is for the speed of the fan, and the other one is how much electricity or energy you put into the heaters. I've shown you the picture of the fan, and there's also a basic diagram of how the hairdryer works. So thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY, then please click on my channel.